How to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video. So first of all, make sure that you have TikTok application installed in your device. After that, open up the application and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Now, if you want to save specific video to your gallery from your TikTok draft without posting it, so first of all, you have to get to that draft. For that, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. You will be landed in your profile page. Now you have to go to your draft. Now from your draft, select the video that you would like to save to your gallery. For example, I have this video right here. After you do that, if you navigate to your right hand side, there are a bunch of menu. So from there, tap on the last icon, that is the down arrow icon. If you tap on it, and you have to swipe up the menu. And at the very end, there is a save option. Simply tap on it. And here it is, save to album. Now your draft video is saved to your gallery. Again, go back and save this video to your draft. Now, if you go back to your gallery, you will be able to find your draft video that you have saved recently from TikTok. So this is the way to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.